No nation can be healthy without adequate health infrastructure, people-oriented policies, certified healthcare practitioners, and of course, collaborations with conventional standards and best practices. However, over the years, Global Health Projects and Resources, the organizers of the Nigerian Healthcare Excellence Award, NHEA, under the tutelage of a 360-degree leader, Dr. Wale, has been providing several platforms across the continent of Africa for the advancement of the health sector via unique initiatives such as conferences, continuous medical education, and human capacity development for healthcare practitioners.
It has also given us an opportunity for capacity building. We have people attending various lectures here and there, and I think that this particular one has lived up to its billing.
Trade missions and exhibitions with first-class business-to-business strategies that facilitates direct foreign investment into the health sector in Africa.
Dr. Wale is someone that has passion for healthcare delivery. Most of his life has been spent on making sure that Nigerians are exposed to what happens in other parts of the world. And that has impacted positively on healthcare delivery in Nigeria. Many of our colleagues have made contacts through all his efforts to equip better their different healthcare facilities. And he's a hardworking, reliable, dedicated colleague of mine.
We really appreciate being here in this country, in this very nice and lovely country, of course. And we were quite surprised from the first 2 days how many very interesting visitors and attendees from the conference we met already.
Meanwhile, the Nigeria Healthcare Excellence Award is a long-awaited dividend for role models and pace setters in the health sector who has contributed in no small measure to ensure we have a healthy nation through their unalloyed services and achievement here in Africa and of course the international health community.
We'll be hearing of media awards, we'll be hearing of music awards and so on. It's a good thing to have a healthcare or health sector awards that will be on a large scale, driven by the private sector.
The need for a Nigeria Health Excellence Award cannot be overemphasized because we really need to up the stakes in the health system. And if we have an award instituted to reward good work, hard work, qualitative services, then that would kind of ginger others to want to do well.
This platform is going to be an impetus for greater works in healthcare industry in Nigeria.
Don't forget, there are certain fundamentals we really cannot run away from. As disadvantageous as it may appear, is the reality. That is a humanitarian sector. Therefore, a lot of sacrifices necessarily have to be made by the actors. The health sector awards can only be a necessary positive development. It's going to be like an injection, a tonic for the improvement of the sector.
Moving forward, in a bid to honor and appreciate these role models of our generation, Global Health Projects and Resources figured gold and silver is not enough for their giant strides and uncommon achievements. Therefore, the presentation of this unique recognition event dissected to celebrate individuals and corporate organizations in the health sector here in Nigeria and the continent at large. This initiative is poised to encourage current and upcoming healthcare practitioners in the continent of Africa and to make a categorical statement that the health of the continent is in the care of Africans, which includes practitioners and of course policymakers.
is going to bring quality in provision of healthcare.
It would also help to institute governance in the health system, because if we do have governance, there'll be better practice procedures, there'll be better accountability, and the patients and clients of the health system will also feel better rewarded. There are a few centers of excellence in the health system. They need to be recognized, and this would serve as a lead for others to follow. In the health system, you cannot really advertise your goods and services. So an award like this would help to, in a subtle and ethical way, advertise the goods and services for those who are doing well, and will also, in a very subtle way, tell those who are not doing well to buck up.
When people are appreciated for what they have done well, they want to do more.
We therefore join the rest of the world to honor and congratulate the 2014 recipients of the Nigeria Healthcare Excellence Award for their notable achievements. You are all welcome.